Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing and review on the Oregon 3500 generator. So I've been wanting one of these generators for a long time and finally figured this year I'd pull the trigger on it. Came with the these guys here to mount the pretty sure it's the handle to tote this thing around. And let me see where that's at. Yeah, looks like it's at the bottom here. So they got our little handle on the bottom of the generator. Thing is really wedged in there. Alright. And we've got our wheels. So all that comes to the bottom of the unit. And we've got our little oil tank right here, zip tied to the edge of the generator. So let's go and clip that off. So it comes with this little warning tag here. It says add fuel treatment and stabilizer to fresh fuel to prevent ethanol damage. So do not use E15 or E85 fuel, Briggs & Stratton. So just comes with a little warning tag here. So alright guys, it's a couple days later and I finally installed the hardware to the generator, and let's turn you around and show you what it looks like. So this is pretty straightforward to put together. The instructions right here, how to assemble all the hardware. So all you need is a 13 and 16 millimeter wrench, and I didn't bother filming it because it was pretty straightforward on how to put it together. It gives you this little diagram here. Just follow that and you're good to go. So the manual tells you to add some fuel stabilizer to your gasoline when you add it to this. So I went and picked up some seafoam and added it to my gas and put it in, and added the oil in here. And the oil port down here kind of sucks to get to. It's kind of in an awkward spot, which I'm sure if you guys know about generators, you've probably experienced that before. But let me show you kind of what that angle looks like down there. So as you can see, this oil port here is kind of awkward to get to. So what I did is just tilted it on its side and got a funnel and then poured the oil in there. So the instructions for this say to add about 20 ounces of oil, and the container that they give you is 20.3. So I just added a little bit shy of what was in there. So I didn't really want to overfill it. I'm sure it would have been okay, but I put the dipstick in there, and it was, after tightening it, it was pretty much, it was all around the threads and the seal and everything, so I just poured a little bit out, but right around 20 ounces is where you want to be on this. So yeah, let's take this in the backyard and see how quiet it is. I'm kind of curious on that one. The Predator generators are really quiet. I didn't realize that until I was watching a few YouTube videos and seeing my father-in-law's Predator. I forgot what model he's got. I think he's got the 3600. And it was surprisingly quiet. So let's take this in the backyard and fire it up and show you guys how it sounds. Alright guys, I don't know if you can hear me, but there she is running. So it's a little bit loud, but not too bad though. Well, honestly on that one I was expecting it to be a little bit quieter, but it's not bad though. I think I've heard a lot worse. So anyway, guys, that would be the Oregon generator. So if you're interested in that, I will put a link in the description on how you can contact them and get a generator or find one near you. So thanks, guys.